Portable oxygen solutions have become increasingly popular for people who need supplemental oxygen while maintaining an active lifestyle. Choosing the right equipment or accessory can improve convenience, comfort, and reliability during daily use. This guide evaluates the best portable oxygen concentrator products based on compatibility, build quality, portability, ease of use, durability.
Product number 1. Inogen 1 G4 Replacement Column Pair, Oxygen Accessories. The Inogen 1 G4 Replacement Column Pair is an essential maintenance accessory designed specifically for the Inogen 1 G4 Portable Oxygen Concentrator. Rather than replacing the entire machine, these removable metal columns restore oxygen purity when the concentrator indicates it's time for replacement. This simple maintenance process helps extend the life of the concentrator while keeping it operating efficiently. Installation is remarkably straightforward and requires no specialized tools. Users can swap the columns in just a few minutes, making routine maintenance much less intimidating. The metal housing feels durable and is built to withstand repeated handling. Despite weighing only 0.63 pounds, the columns are robust and engineered for long-term reliability. For G4 owners, keeping a replacement pair available minimizes downtime and ensures uninterrupted oxygen therapy during travel or daily activities. While these columns aren't a portable oxygen concentrator themselves, they are one of the most important replacement components for maintaining peak performance. Pros: genuine replacement accessory, easy tool-free installation, restores oxygen purity, durable metal construction, lightweight and compact.
Product number 2. Res 1 7-Foot Soft Adult Oxygen Nasal Cannula 5-Pack. The Res 1 7-Foot Soft Adult Oxygen Nasal Cannula 5-Pack offers excellent comfort and value for oxygen users requiring dependable daily tubing. Designed with soft curved nasal prongs, these cannulas minimize irritation during extended wear while delivering a secure and comfortable fit. Each cannula includes 7-foot crush-resistant tubing, providing users with greater freedom of movement around the home without frequent tangling or kinking. The tubing maintains consistent airflow even when bent, improving reliability during daily use. The 5-pack offers excellent value by ensuring replacements are always available, promoting hygiene and consistent performance. The lightweight design makes these cannulas suitable for use with most portable and stationary oxygen concentrators. Although this product isn't an oxygen concentrator itself, it's an important accessory that significantly impacts overall comfort during oxygen therapy. Pros: soft curved nasal prongs, comfortable for extended use, crush-resistant tubing, universal compatibility, excellent value 5-pack.
Product number 3. Inogen 1 G3 Extended 16-Cell Battery. The Inogen 1 G3 Extended Battery is designed for users who need significantly longer operating time from their portable oxygen concentrator. Featuring a 16-cell configuration, it provides extended runtime compared to the standard battery, making it ideal for travel, day trips, and longer outings. Despite weighing approximately 2.3 pounds, the battery remains portable while delivering dependable power for extended oxygen therapy sessions. Installation is quick and secure, allowing users to swap batteries in seconds without interrupting daily routines for long. The battery's durable construction and reliable performance make it an excellent investment for frequent travelers or anyone who spends extended periods away from electrical outlets. Although it increases the overall weight of the concentrator slightly, the trade-off is much longer operating time, reducing the need for frequent recharging. Pros: extended operating time, genuine Inogen accessory, easy installation, reliable battery performance, ideal for travel.
Product number 4. O2 Totes Premium Backpack. Fits Inogen 1 G5 and Inogen Rove 6. The O2 Totes Premium Backpack is a thoughtfully designed carrying solution for users of the Inogen 1 G5 and Inogen Rove 6 portable oxygen concentrators. The lightweight construction, padded shoulder straps, and ergonomic design make carrying a concentrator much more comfortable during everyday activities. One standout feature is the zippered bottom compartment, which provides convenient access while helping keep the device secure. The backpack is designed to allow proper airflow for compatible concentrators, while protecting them from everyday bumps and scratches. Multiple storage compartments accommodate batteries, chargers, cannulas, wallets, and personal items, reducing the need for an additional bag. High-quality stitching and durable materials contribute to long-lasting performance. For active users, this backpack enhances portability without compromising comfort or accessibility. Pros: comfortable padded straps, designed for G5 and Rove 6. Convenient storage compartments. Durable construction, lightweight design.
Product number 5, Boost Oxygen Large Natural 10-liter Canister 3-pack. The Boost Oxygen Large Natural 10-liter canister provides portable recreational oxygen intended for uses such as aerobic recovery and high-altitude situations. The 3-pack offers added convenience for travel or outdoor activities. Each canister is lightweight and easy to carry, with a simple mask attachment for quick use. The larger 10-liter capacity provides more uses per can than smaller versions, making it a practical option for occasional needs. It's important to understand that Boost Oxygen is not a portable oxygen concentrator and is not a substitute for prescribed oxygen therapy. Individuals who require medical oxygen should follow their healthcare provider's guidance and use prescribed equipment. For its intended non-prescription use, the product is portable, easy to use, and convenient. Pros: lightweight and portable, larger 10-liter capacity, easy to use, convenient 3-pack, good for travel and altitude use. Cons:
Product number 6, Boost Oxygen Medium Natural 5-liter Canister 4-pack. The Boost Oxygen Medium Natural 5-liter canister offers the same convenience as the larger model in a more compact package. The smaller size makes it especially suitable for backpacks, gym bags, glove compartments, and travel luggage. The 4-pack ensures multiple canisters are available when needed, and the compact dimensions improve portability. Like the larger version, the product is intended for recreational use rather than medical oxygen therapy. Users appreciate the ease of carrying these canisters during hiking trips, sporting events, or travel to higher elevations. The straightforward design allows quick access whenever needed. Those requiring prescribed oxygen should continue using equipment recommended by their healthcare provider rather than relying on recreational oxygen products. Pros: compact and portable, convenient 4-pack, easy to carry, simple operation, ideal for travel.
Among the products reviewed, the Inogen 1 G3 Extended 16-cell battery is the most valuable accessory for users seeking longer portable oxygen concentrator runtime, while the Inogen 1 G4 replacement column pair is essential for maintaining concentrator performance.